I confess to buying Shib at the dip. A lot of you have seen what's happened with Shib, and initially I was going to explain that, but there is actually a better person who is better than me at explaining this, and that is Shitoshi himself. So Shitoshi himself has made some public statements within Discord, and it sheds light on what is happening to Shib and what has happened, and what the Shib army is currently trying to do. We're going to go through that and we're going to have a look at the charts. Stick around to the end because this is juicier than red steak. We'll be giving away $100 to a random subscriber to kickstart their crypto journey. To enter this giveaway, simply like and subscribe and comment your favorite crypto in the comments below. Now, this particular statement requires you guys to know a bit of background knowledge. So a few days ago, Shib was really pumping. You went up a couple 100% in a span of a few days, and all of a sudden you dipped. And this happened at the time when the CoinMarketCap changed the circulating supply listed on its website. Changing a circulating supply is actually a very, very big deal, because if you can change a circulating supply, or in this case, increase the circulating supply, it means that there are people out there who is minting, who is creating new Shib tokens and generating them out of thin air. And when this happens, people tend to think that this token is a scam. And a lot of people pulled out from their investments and decided to stop investing altogether. And this put a stop on Shib's momentum, and as a result, it reversed. The price of Shib began to go down. So about 2 days ago, Kraken, one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world, announced that they would list Shib on their platform. But when the day came, they never listed Shib. And so this statement by Shitoshi reflects his thoughts and what has actually happened behind the scenes. So this was taken from Shitoshi himself in the Discord. Robinhood and Kraken are two USA exchanges and follow the stringent laws here. Before they can list an asset, they have to ensure all information is correct. Since they don't talk to us, who will they go for info? Who can confirm the supply? Who is the authority in this space? CoinMarketCap. And guess what? They probably had it wrong. So they'd have to fix it, but couldn't say a word because they can't speak about any type of movement with an asset about to be listed. This makes sense and goes along with the Robinhood CEO statement. We investigate all assets before we list. And so what does the Shib haters do? And they say we've added tokens. So a quick recap so far. Robinhood and Kraken wants to list Shib, but they need to find a trustworthy source to ensure that the listing goes smoothly. And they turn to CoinMarketCap, but CoinMarketCap has made a mistake. And this mistake resulted in people pointing the finger at Shib, saying they've added more tokens when this in fact was not the case. Shitoshi says that this is a long-term play for mutual funds and hedge funds, and he continues to say that I want an explanation from CoinMarketCap and we all deserve that, but he can understand that if they cannot say anything. This is now a new focus for us. We aren't a small Shib anymore. We have to start thinking about things that just didn't matter before, and this is one of them. So we've been done a good old dirty, and Shitoshi is trying to get the dirt off our bodies. And right now this is a focus for Shib to get the facts right and to get the circulating supply and the public in good hands once again. Now, before we move on, you can support your favorite crypto projects such as Shib, Ethereum, and more by getting your own physical crypto coin to add to your collection. You can find a link in the description. And across social media, the Shib army is demanding answers. We have people like Dell Crypto asking the same thing. We have people from Milkshake telling CoinMarketCap to get their act together and publish where they got their figures from. Now, all that aside, let's have a look at what is currently happening to your investment. So Shib saw a tumble from its all-time high here, and we saw the price bounce off this particular level around the 4,300 mark. And we can see it begin to consolidate a little bit and forming some levels here around the 4,500 mark as well. Now, the good news that most of you want to hear is that the downward trend likely has stopped. We can see that recently, in a couple hours ago, that there has been a MACD crossover indicating that we're now building positive momentum and the price is beginning to go up here. And we can also see on the stochastic that we're now in an upcycle indicated by the slow and fast moving line approaching above 80 level. And we are beginning to see some of the 1 hour time frame action appear on the 1 day time frame. We can see that there's potentially a crossover happening on the stochastic, but we're yet to see the momentum decline on the daily time frame for the MACD. So on the micro level, we're already seeing a recovery, but on the macro level, it's only beginning to show early signs. And I'm a person that invests by Warren Buffett's philosophy. So I get greedy when people are being fearful. So I took a jab at buying the dip. Again, these are my personal actions and this is not financial advice. So yes, price has dipped from an all-time high, but we need to view this chart with a wide angle lens and realize that, as Satoshi has said, this is a big picture play. We're early investors, and in crypto, as we have seen time and time again, patience is rewarded. I hope you guys have an understanding of what has happened. Send this to your friends if they're unaware of the situation. Let me know in the comments if you have held. As always, that's all from me. Take care, and we'll catch you guys next time.